2011 Honda Pilot complaint, check engine light on. Show the confirmed customer complaint. Yes, the customer complaint confirmed. As you can see, the engine run right now. The check engine light came on. So let's see what we have here. Current cylinder number 3 misfire, temporary, also the same. Okay, cylinder number 3 located on the firewall side. I wanna see, go back here, letter M. Oh no, letter C. Cylinder number 1 misfire. Sorry, I said M, I say misfire. But what misfire? The cylinder, right? That one, letter C. Oh no. Cylinder number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. I know right now we have the cylinder number 3 misfire code, but I want to know all the cylinders to see any of them misfires, you know. It's just like anyway, customer complain, the check engine light on and the engine jerking. Damn, fucking motorcycle, it's very loud noise, kill my ear. Okay, anyway, yeah, sorry for flare. Oh shit, as you can see, cylinder number 3. Let me go back here, and as you can see, we have the letter E. E. Engine speed, okay? Yep, you can see the engine in idle right now. I don't want you guys to take a look there and also look on here. That's why I choose the engine RPM too. You see cylinder number 3. Keep counting misfire. 0 now. Start over on the cycle. 7, 8, 9. What the heck look like it? That misfire? I can feel it's shaking sometimes, but not all the time. Okay. 2000 RPM. As you can see, misfire is sometimes counting, sometimes not. Right now, 2100 RPM, no misfire, but still, sometimes. Back to idle. Come on, no more. 1. Okay, for now, who called me this time? Yeah, for now, we don't know what caught me fire on cylinder number 3. Don't worry about that. Spark plug, bad spark plugs. Let me turn off the phone. Okay, yeah. Bad spark plugs, quick coil, or that coil, or fuel injector, not enough fuel. That fuel injector, electrical control problem on coil, fuel injector, something like that. Blah blah blah. Okay, go ahead, go under the hood. I will do some tech over there and let you guys see what we should do on this. Okay guys, as you can see on the repair menus, the cylinder number 1 on the firewall, and right here you can see 1, 2 and 3. Like earlier I say, the number 3 located on the firewall side. So let's do this. Okay, the engine cover already took off. I put it right here, and then, as you can see, the cylinder number 1 right here, and 2 in the middle, and 3 right there, and 3 more in the front. It's like right here, it's 4 and 5 and 6. As you can see on the coil, I don't know, you can see. Let me got the light here for you guys see. I don't remember exactly what I did on this vehicle before, but as you can see on the coil right here, on the coil right now, there's a number 4. Somehow I tested before, I put in number 4, right? Number 4 on the coil is right now on the same place, same exactly where number 4 located. Forget about this. But that one I marked on it at number 3. This one has been here for a long time. I don't know, I don't remember I did something repair on this vehicle before, but now I just take the engine cover off. I see number 3 right there, but keep in mind that that's not the cylinder number 3 coil. The number 3 on the coil is just a mark for later the coil laid out around here. You put somewhere you don't miss it. Where the coil was, and you cannot be tested no more. So now first thing I need to remove the coil, remove the spark plug from number 3, and also mark on it. Mark on the coil, same thing like the number right there. Okay guys, coil and spark plug on the cylinder number 3 has been removed. I put it here, the coil, and here the spark plug from the cylinder number 3. But you see on the coil they have the number 5 on it. What that means, this coil was in number 5 cylinder before, on some repair before. I believe I did, because as you can see right there, we have 4 on number 3 coil, cylinder coil now, and 3 on number 5, nothing on number 6. Why? Easy to understand, because you see from the fan right here, you have this coil, this cylinder, it's hard to remove the coil, even the spark plug. That's why I don't touch this coil before, and even now I don't need to change it. On the data, misfire data, as you can see, number 5 here we don't have misfire. Number 4 here we don't have misfire. No matter what's on here, say 4 or 3, but we have number 3 misfire. Here now what I do here, markers yellow, do again. You can do like this, for you know about that. You don't need exactly Y3, Y5, but at least you know that this coil from number 3 for this repair. And I know the spark plug right there, I don't need to mark on it, but I just show you guys in the video. We should mark on it, and just in case later we jam up with 2, 3 spark plugs here, maybe 2, and when we pick one, we don't know which one it was, like, and we mess up from there. Okay guys, I already done swap the coil and spark plug. You see this coil, earlier I showed you guys on this coil was on number 3 cylinder. It had number 5 on it, number 5 number on it. So after that I'm on the number 3. Pay attention on this. Anyway, you guys know that the coil from cylinder number 3 over there, and the coil on number 5 right now in number 3, and the spark plug in number 3 right now is from number 4. Okay, that means right now on the cylinder 4 and 5, the coil was on number 3, the spark plug in here was in number 5. Okay, hopefully misfire caught by the coil or spark plug, if not from fuel injector or compression, because if the fuel injector, you have to remove the intake manifold. Anyway, you know, in this case we can able to do some test like electrical test, spark test, something like that. We don't really need to swap the coil like this to try. But if you work on your car, let me show you. If you got a misfire, you got a engine shaking, if you can able to access the coil connector like this, and you let the engine run and idle, the engine shaking like that, and then you disconnect the coil, and what's on the shaking condition, if you disconnect the connector, you kill the cylinder and the engine is shaking more from beginning like this. But when you disconnect like this, that means the cylinder is okay. But if you, for example, this one you disconnect it, the second condition the same, that means you got a misfire on this, for example, okay? And continues all the cylinder, you might find the misfire on what cylinder. So after that, you can, for example, if you know that misfire from this cylinder, you do the way to swap the coil and spark plug like this, and you next step to check, you might know misfire caught by the spark plug or coil. If after we swap the coil and spark plug, the misfire still not follow. For example, right now, if we run the engine, check the data again, but still misfire on cylinder number 3, and we have to go further, fuel injector and engine compressor. Okay guys, back at the car. Right now the key on, engine up, and right there the scan tool was on before we swap the coil and spark plug. And now what we need to do, we have to go back to retract. Okay, we still here, misfire number 1, 2, 3, 3. Yep, enter again. Okay, now the data we're reading for you guys, see that what cylinder caught misfire now. So again, damn. Okay, I got the good to put it right now. Okay, the cylinder number 3 was misfire, right? And now the cylinder number 3 coil on number 5 right now, and the cylinder number 3 spark plug on number 4 right now. What happened if now we run the engine, the misfire come to number 4, that means we have the bad spark plug. If it come to number 5, we have the bad coil. Okay, let me start the engine RPM from the bottom here. You might see. Oh man, this key already broke. I don't want this left hand to start. Let me hold closer in here. Yep, and start it. Anyway, start it. Okay. As you can see right now. Oh man, also number 3 misfire too. But anyway, number 4 misfire. I'm happy with that. And number 3 coil. I don't worry because coil and spark plug from another cylinder. Okay, let me get closer. You can see that wrap the engine. Oh, I brake. Okay, we have the misfire beginning from number 3 after swap the coil and spark plug. Now we have the answer. We have the bad spark plug because like I told you, the number 3 spark plug I put in number 4 right now. Okay guys, that's it for quick tag to find the misfire what cylinder, and in this case we need new spark plug on our cylinder. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.